Don't be mad at me, bro. Hold on, wait. You see it, bro? Bro, bro. Look, hold, wait.
Gigi.
Broke it down into pieces. I'm losing the air that I'm breathing, and you give me so wrong for no reason. You can't have my love. Been smoking them.
What's up, Core Boy gang? What it is, what it ain't? It's your boy Core Boy, and I'm back again with another video, you man. I said video? Did I say video? I mean, I'm back again with another banger, bro. So y'all already know what this title is about, bro. I mean, y'all already know what the video is about, bro. I'm finna be getting my cousin Raid, bro. Y'all see he cut my hair, and I think I look better with my haircut. What y'all think? But y'all, he cut my hair, so I gotta get him back, bro. So, Bean, everybody know, hold on, let me show y'all. Everybody know, they love this dog right here. They love Gigi. So, they love Gigi now. So, I'm gonna be acting like I ran Gigi off. But when I went to the store earlier today, I had got a bear who looked a little like Gigi, but she gonna be covered in blood. So I don't wanna hold y'all up, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that post notification bell so y'all can get whatever I post. And make sure y'all smash that like button. We gonna take Gigi for a walk. We finna have a little vlog, dude. Yeah. Gigi. Come on, Gigi. Come on, we finna go for a walk. Come on. Okay, so I got Gigi, y'all. Gigi. I'm finna put it on right now. I got Gigi to come with me. I'm not gonna record out my camera till I get there. Gigi looking scared. She like, what the fuck I'm going? I mean, she looking like, where I'm going, man. Take me back home. But yeah, we just finna go around the street. Me and Gigi, we just finna go around the street. But I'm a bad back in time. Like, Gigi, boo! You know, a bad back in time. The bear right there, like, is in the bag. I'm gonna show y'all. Or whatever. See how I'm gonna get Gigi react. No, I ain't gonna get Gigi react. Cause Gigi stay in the car the whole time. But I'm gonna get Raid reaction. You feel me? Gigi. Yeah, good, yeah.
Man, I got it right. My head matching my bed.
Yeah. Alright, we finna get out the car, and I'm finna kill Gigi. I'm just playing. I'm finna put the little bear. Oh, let me show y'all the bear. It don't look just like Gigi, but I'm gonna lay it on his back. I'm gonna let the dog on his back. On Gigi. Get it, Gigi. Gigi don't like that. Alright, so I'm finna go ahead and set the camera up and stuff like that. So there go. Y'all, Gigi is so bad, bro. I had to chase this dog. So y'all, I'm using ketchup to see. Oh, I'm using ketchup to see if it's gonna help. Ooh. I'm using ketchup, y'all. It look real too. Blood all on the street, you feel me? So it can look real, bro. I mean, the ketchup. Damn, I'm gonna wash my hands though, man. Gigi! Get your ass on here, man. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in my car. I'm finna put Gigi ass back in my motherfucking car. Alright, so that look alright. It look kind of real. Alright, so I'm finna call him, y'all. I'm finna call him. Finna call him. I don't want y'all to see the number. Bruh.
Nigga, wait.
Bruh, please just don't be mad at me, bruh.
Wait, bro.
Don't be mad at me, bruh.
Bro, wait, bro. You tell me what.
Bruh, you gotta promise me you ain't gonna be mad at me though.
I don't know what it is, so I really can't promise you, but go.
Bruh, please don't be mad at me.
Nigga, wait, go ahead and say it, nigga. You make me mad.
Bruh, I'm at grandma's house, right? We ain't even make it to the park. We ain't even make it to the park.
Now you and Gigi?
Yes, nigga. I'm at grandma's house and guess what?
Wait, bro.
I let Gigi out. And look what happened. I ran into the back of her, bro.
Oh my god!
Look, bro.
Flip the camera. I think you lying.
Oh, look, bro. Hold on, wait. You see it, bro?
You ran over
Look,
Gigi?
bro. Bruh, did you?
No, I'm finna be on the way, bro.
Bruh, cause I was vlogging, bruh. I ain't.
I don't know.
Huh?
Nigga, I don't care, nigga. I'm on the way.
I'm missing Gigi. Gigi meets OG right now. Gigi! Come on, Gigi! Come on! He coming! Look at Gigi, y'all. Come on, Gigi! Come on! Hurry up, Gigi! Come on! You gotta get back in the car. Hurry up before he come. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. She like, damn, I can't jump that high. Alright, I'll put you in there. Come on. You better not drink shit in there. Your ass gonna be full of energy. Alright. So y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all when he come. Do y'all see him? There he go right there. This nigga finna be so mad, bro. This nigga finna be so mad. Bruh, look, hold, wait. Down there.
This nigga made a stick around over Gigi. He did. In the arms of the angel. You down my dog and he been embracing, barking, looking down. This nigga here done ran over my dog. Bro, get the camera out my face, bro. It ain't fun. I don't know why you vlogging. I'm vlogging well, bro.
Vlogging, I ain't get when I hit her though.
Gigi, my nigga. How can you run over Gigi? Man, this nigga done ran over Gigi. Gigi. Out of dog, you gonna run over Gigi?
Bro, get back, bro.
Give me Coco, little egg, the white dog, or
Bro, get back, bro.
Man, come on.
Get back. Get right. It's a prank, bro.
Put the camera down.
It's a prank, bro.
How's the point?
I was just playing. I ran over, but I ain't trying to run over her though.
Put the camera down, bro. Put it down.
So how we gonna tell Auntie, bro?
How you gonna tell Auntie? Cause you just called me and said, "What? Gigi, bro, don't be mad, Gigi, nigga, Gigi."
I'm finna call her, bro.
Call her, you call her. She ain't even up with me. You call her, bro.
She ain't answer, bro.
Call her again. Call her again.
Please! No!
No, bro, I'm not calling her again. We just gonna have to tell her Gigi dead.
No, call her again.
We just gonna have to tell her, bro.
Gigi, my nigga. My last time was Gigi on the porch.
Bro, you really on the ground, bro. It's a fucking prank for real. You really on the ground, bro. Let me get Gigi out there holler at the cop, man. But they call the dog pound on me. Oh, I almost fell. Come on. Come on, Gigi. Come on, Gigi.
You like
It's upsetting me and my homegirl because we feel like, well, damn, if you can't go to bed and no chase, what the hell could you go?
still dead, dude. I said my name along with Gigi was on the pod. Gigi. Hold on, Mike.
Oh, look, you gotta get me. Hey, didn't
This lame, don't play around nigga dog like that.
But if y'all like this video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all turn on that post notification bell so y'all get wherever I post it. Make sure y'all smash that like button on game.
And then broke it down into pieces. I'm losing the air that I'm breathing. And you did me so wrong for no reason. You can't have my love. Being smoke.